Two accused in the coffin assault case have been found guilty and their bail extended to the 23rd of October when sentencing will take place. Our reporter Sibongile Mkani-Mpolweni is at the Middelburg Magistrates Court following those proceedings, and we're live to her now. Good afternoon, Sibongile. What's been the reaction in and outside of court to the guilty verdict and the bail extension till the 23rd of October?
Good afternoon. The reaction inside court when the verdict were handed, the community was pleased, as well as Victor and his mom were very much pleased with the accused being found guilty. However, the community mumbled in dissatisfaction when the judge granted or extended the bail of the two accused, saying that she has no reason to believe that they will flee sentencing. Each and every time the case was before court, the two accused presented themselves in court and they were there on time. There was never a day where they were late or court proceedings had to be postponed or start late because of the two accused. Therefore, those were her reasons for granting, for extending their bail application, their bail until the 23rd of October for sentencing. Outside court, we spoke to Victor Mlotshwa. He is saying that he is relieved that the truth has finally come out, that he's been cleared, that he's vindicated, that he did not lie about the incident, and that the court found that Willem Oosthuizen and Theo Jackson indeed committed those crimes that were labeled against them. And his mother is saying that she too is relieved, but her son is traumatized, and they will look at suing the two for damages in order to try and move on with their lives. But now they are calling for hefty sentences. We spoke to the DA, EFF, as well as the ANC, all three political parties that have been here from day one. They are singing one tune, and they are saying that they are happy with the verdict, that the wheels of justice are moving, and that justice has indeed been served. They are also saying that they welcome the judgment, and it will serve as a deterrent to other people who are thinking of committing similar crimes, especially racial crimes against other colors. So the verdict has been welcomed indeed by all spheres of people, from the family to the community to the political parties, and now they are all calling for a hefty sentence. The ANC is calling for a sentence no less than 15 years, which is the same sentence that Victor Mlotshwa, the victim, is also calling for.
Sibongile, what are some of the factors that the judge took into account when it came to her decision of granting the bail to be extended until the 23rd of October?
The state prosecutor argued that the accused are not safe outside because of the media contingency. The case has attracted media from outside of South Africa, and we've got locals who are also interested, as well as members of the community who are singing and chanting, carrying coffins made of cardboards outside the court with the pictures of the two accused, saying that they are not safe, and now they are no longer accused but convicts, and they are convicted criminals and they should go to jail. But both defense counsels argued that even jail is not safe, and that these two accused would not evade sentencing by not coming to court or escaping or skipping the country, which is another concern for the prosecutor. But the judge, as I've indicated, that she said that she is happy and satisfied that these two will be in court on the 23rd of October, as they had presented themselves in court. Also, you might know that they did present some of the photos and a video in court, the video that they took, which was later used against them. It is also important that I point out that of the 7 charges that they were accused of, one of possession of a firearm, which was accused number 1, Willem Oosthuizen, that charge he has been found not guilty. And the other charge, which is a charge of defeating the ends of justice, that charge was laid to accused number 2, with his Theo Jackson. Theo was found guilty of that charge because he is the one that got rid of the coffin and burnt it to ashes. So the judge was saying that in doing so, he might have known that that coffin would be used as evidence in court in terms of things like DNA, taking of DNA to check if really Victor Mlotshwa was inside that coffin.
Thank you. you. That was our reporter Sibongile coming to us from outside the Middelburg Magistrates Court, where sentencing in the coffin case assault is set down for October 20.